can see he's a big fan of Tintin. He was thrilled when you made this, when you got your graffiti artist to do this, right, Adi? And there you see, even like he's a bookworm, complete bookworm. So you can see the shelves, it's full of Adi's books, right, Adi? And how do you like your room? How do you like your room?
And the first time we met, you showed me his sketches.
Sketches, yes.
Yeah. And on that time, I knew that his room has to be something very different, and we tried that Jack and the Beanstalk concept first.
True.
Yeah. And we had crazy kind of ceilings coming down, and then we had to figure out that you were kind of adamant with your parents that I want a bunk bed.
I want a bunk bed, and
I think when I was here, we just saw this hook over there, kind of, okay, let's put it here and see if it works out here. And I think it's really worked out well. It looks as if it was meant to be here.
Meant to be, yeah.
Do you like this? Okay.
These are, of course, his collection of Tintin comics.
That's
and
really cute.
Tintin paintings.
Yeah. I would love to sleep on this bed now.
Oh, how many sleepovers have we had since we've moved here? One. And tomorrow again his friends are coming. They love the bunk bed. They love his room.
And I think we struggled a lot in getting this color because we were looking at so many blues, and then we wanted that very kind of rustic effect also. And I think the first time we discussed on what you're going to do on this, I remember seeing a wood plywood sample at a site, and the carpenter was busy trying to clean his blades, and he said, hey, don't worry, I don't want to use this. And I said, I want to use this. And when I sent it over here also, they all were like, you want us to actually do something wrong? And I said, yeah, do the wrong thing, this is what you want, So typically what we've done is just on the existing plywood, we've done this color shading.
Yeah, and it's actually, it looks rough, but when you actually put your hand, it's
Yeah.
really smooth. It's almost silk smooth when you touch it.
And I think this kind of niches that we created over here, that's really worked out well because you can really dump in stuff over here, as kid, you want to have this kind of niches. Actually, you can even hide inside this.
Yeah, that's a nice hiding place.
Yeah. So now you know when your parents are kind of angry on you, you know where to hide. So I guess this is another space which has worked out well, and I think even this lamp we were kind of looking at so many options, and we went on to even choosing something which was a huge lamp, and then I saw this at something like not even 1/10, like 1/20th the price of what you're supposed to buy, and I think not only saved a lot of money, but I think this looks nice also. It looks very colorful in the overall white space.
And it kind of, it's a nice contrast to the room.
What I love about this thing is that we've done the right thing of being in the whites. It just allowed us to do all these experiments. If we were in a blue over here, this would have looked really gaudy. So a lot of people come up to me and say, there's one thing which we find, you are always in a white shirt and your sides always white. And I said that allows me to do experiments. If I'm going to be colorful from the beginning, I can't do experiments. The washroom also I think is come out very interesting because we were looking at so many things of whether we should do it as a typical kiddish washroom. But then looking at a point that Adi's growing from he's almost going to be a teenager soon in a few years, and it can't be that once he's a teenager they start breaking it and redoing it. So we made it colorful, interesting, used the blue which is his favorite color, and used
okay, now it's because his house has changed to green as well.
Okay. So I think using these small elements of we have this.
Oh, this was really interesting. The planter, you spotted it, and I never thought you'd convert this into a basin. It would be the base for the basin.
Yeah, it was I just saw it and I was like, I want this kind of thing, and I think it was a great buy. And the way we used it, I think initially when I spoke to the carpenter to do this, and the first thing he was that this is wrong, this is not meant for this, and you can't do this to it. And I said, no, I want it, and I think it's worked out really well. I love this van we've kept. This is Adi's favorite van.
This is one of his.
it goes with the blue inside, and I think the kind of graffiti down here is also pretty interesting. So what do you like best in the washroom?
What is the best part? The van, the niche.
Oh, okay. And what do you like best in the washroom? Sorry, in your bedroom. The bunk bed. So I think overall it's been nice. You happy with your room? So are you gonna call me to do your house when you get big? We're gonna think about it.
No, he doesn't think he's going to change the house anytime, right, Adi? Are you going to build a new house? If you move into your own house, he doesn't want to move into his.
But what if I tell you that after 2 years I'm gonna make this room again plain white and give it to you, free of cost? It's fine? You wanna keep it as it is?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
So you like it that much? Good.